Friends, welcome back to Ogi Edits. So today we are going to do a challenge in FF, which is nothing but Free Fire. So we're doing only UMP challenge. So let's start. Okay, it's gonna be Kalahari map.
So guys, I'm just editing this part out because it feels a bit boring with this. So anyways,
As you can see on the top right, I'm on Elite Heroic 3 stars. So let's start.
And an enemy starts firing from somewhere.
Oh shit. Guys, only for now, please forgive me. I'm gonna take the exam. But I have no other way. I'm really sorry. Wait. Oh. Guys, I'm extremely sorry for this. Oh, never mind. So let's continue our challenge. So what will you do now? But please, whoever sees the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you again. And it might be you might think, why do I play like a bit noob? It's because I'm playing on a tab. Please cooperate with this. And oh there's a guy. Hey, right there! Oh no! Oh, I'm dead. Who killed me from where? Oh, here. Okay, we'll just give him a like. And we'll just exit the match. Let's see how many plays I got. I got only 10 plays. Okay, I'm fine with that. But I was telling that again, just never mind. So guys, thank you for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.